Hey everybody, welcome back to Snacks. I'm John Siwicki, and today we are going to take a look at Figma and their product FigJam and how they use AI inside of their whiteboard software. So we're going to ask ourselves that question, do we want AI in a whiteboard, or will it be useful here? Okay, so first up, we're going to go and we are now in my Figma account. And I guess we'll pick a template. Oh no, wait, let's see. 2024. We'll just start with generating something. 2024, count. Let's get right into it. Okay. All right. That's something. All right. Summer. I want to do it. Guys, nice to be able to boilerplate something. What else can we do? Let's make use AI. Field game plan. All right. See too much I can do with the sticky note. Let's see what we got down here. We look at the existing widget. So nothing too much there. All right, so it looks like the primary functionality is generating a thing. Let's see what else we got here. I want to add a cat. Oh, a dragon. That's cool. It allowed me to put together a more robust template here. All right, so okay, so I like it in terms of feels like it's a way to make your own template, which is interesting, but there's not a ton of features in here other than these generations. But yeah, I feel like I got my own custom little thing going on here, which is cool. Interesting, I think, first go for Figma. Yeah, I don't know what I'd want, but I feel like there should be more here. But I don't know what I would suggest at the moment. But so let's just a quick little look at Figma's FigJam AI integration, and yeah, interesting first go. I'm on a free account, so it looks like I'm getting access to everything, having hitting paywalls or everything. Check it out. Let us know what you think, and